Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. How's everybody doing? First London session stream, and we come straight into a consolidation. So, yeah, let's see how it's gonna go. I mean, I think we could have a breakout at the London Opens, which is a good thing. So, yeah, let's see, man, what we're gonna get. But other than that, how's everybody's weekend? Still a massive heat wave here in Europe right now. Huge. We're in a new Airbnb, so let's hope the signal and the connection is good for stream. It seems good so far. So yeah. Yeah, I'm on the hourly chart, guys. On why is it doing that? On Nasdaq. I'm on the NQ chart. On the hourly. For now. And let me just get our chat up on the screen, right? Joe, good morning. Jock, good morning. Mario, good morning, guys. Bias is bullish, man. We'll talk about that in a second. I want to say the same, but we are in a range right now. So yeah, let me just get the chat up on the screen. Cool. Maybe we'll take a buy, man. Let's see. Already, guys, I won't lie, I took a small trade already today on gold, actually, funny enough. It was a very I took a scalp short on gold. Why is it okay, that's weird. Why is it doing that? Oh, okay, it's just that. Properties. Okay. Yeah, I took a small scalp buy on gold. I mean, short, like a 1 to 2, very quick. Early this morning. But yeah. Let's see if we can get someone NQ. And I know it's crazy, I don't really trade gold, but I saw the setup, so I was like, you know what, why not? Why not? Okay, cool. So before we get into the charts, I've made a decision. I won't be fully breaking down from top to bottom every single day. I'm just going to kind of linger around, lower time frames, because I already know what my daily bias is. So I'm just going to tell you guys, I am kind of neutral right now. I do want to see buys. I want to see the longs, but I am still kind of a bit neutral right now, right? Why am I neutral? Okay, we are in a bit of a range, right? Well, when I say a bit, we've been stuck in this range for quite some time. Okay, we've been in this range, like, really, we've been trapped. Okay, I do think, just give me a minute, guys. Yeah, we have been stuck in a range for the last, few hours, obviously. So obviously breaking out of that would be ideal. We can maybe target some, upside highs, liquidity, whatever you want to call it. I could maybe see us first coming into the 700 area. Okay. As our first target. And if we can get above there, maybe squeeze a bit higher. Okay. If we look at the hourly on EMA, we can see that price is holding above the EMA right now. We did have a very big bullish closure back above. The current hourly candle has created a bottom wick and it looks as if it wants to flip bullish. Okay, I do like that, to maybe squeeze along. So yeah, just gonna wait. Right, I'm gonna stay on the hourly for now. I'm not gonna. It is Monday, right? It is Monday, guys, and the fact we're coming in on Monday with this range, I don't want to be, you know, doing anything stupid. If I had to go to the 15 minutes, yeah, look at the 15 minutes. It's tricky. It looks good, but at the same time, it's like, is this just my FOMO kicking in and wanting to get in on a buy, or is it? Yeah, I think the safer bet would be, man, for price to break out personally. Can you obviously? No. Something I also don't really like, the daily time frame, guys. It doesn't have a bottom wick to it. This is why I'm a bit. Daily time frame, we can see it's opened up and it made a top wick, and now we might at some point today pull back to flip bearish, but we don't know that until that happens, right? So yeah, we just have to take it literally minute by minute here and just wait to see what the hell happens, but there's no need to rush into anything right now. Right, okay, I'm just going to linger around the 15-minute time frame just for a bit. But yeah, right now there's still no trade for me, okay? Still no trades right now. What's happening to the Discord channel? I'm redoing the whole Discord channel, guys, okay? The whole free community has been, I'm going to be redoing it. I'm going to be creating new channels inside of the Discord. I'm clearing it up. I've also realized a lot of people are having access to message into different channels, which I need to delete their access so I can message certain channels because it's looking very messy. This morning I was starting to clean it out. I will be continuing that this week. I have someone going to help me put it together, make it a bit more cleaner, a bit more professional side, because when I made the Discord, it was very quick. So I'm going to be putting more effort into it, especially when I come back off holiday. Things are going to go into really good routine as well, man. Things are going to go into really good routine. Get back on more consistently in the Discord as well. A lot of you know I am on holiday, so my activity inside of that Discord isn't where it should be, but that's just based on off holiday, and I keep telling you guys this, right? I don't live and breathe that Discord. I can't. It's just there for you guys to talk, chat, and I'll come in and, you know, chat with you guys now and then as well. But yeah, don't worry, I am busy fixing it up. That's why I'm deleting all of the channels, because it's just a mess right now. So you're still streaming Funder Pro channel personal? Yeah, right now I'm just streaming Funder Pro currently, And then I will be streaming my personal channel the minute I get back. The minute I get back home again. Just because I have my whole setup and everything. So right now it's just off the laptop. And I'm on holiday. I'm not going to be streaming twice a day, guys. I'm on holiday for 1 more month. So for now, hang in there. It's just going to be the Funder Pro YouTube, and then I'll start to also stream on my personal channel as well soon. Again. But my personal channel is going to be more of a more trade breakdowns, you know, talking strategy a bit more on the live streams. You'll get a lot more value, I would say, from those ones. Yeah, so there we are pushing now of that 15-minute breaking. See, that hourly has now flipped. Oh, sorry. The 4 hourly's flip. Ooh, damn, guys, check this. I just saw this as well. I don't even know why I didn't look at that. Look at this 4 hourly, guys. How we have closed bullish back above the EMA, and it's a 4 hourly inside bar. We've just broken that high of that 4 hourly inside bar. Tempting. This can be a very good buy, guys. This can be a good long to break out of that inside bar break. Hourly's flipped as well, bullish. Well, we've just flipped, yeah. Okay, guys. I'm tempted. What's the time? 8:30. Okay, you can potentially take this trade. You can potentially take this, man. I don't know how high it will go though, for now. Like a 1.2. It's a bit of a stretch. I'm not taking this though. Nah, fuck that. It's not clean enough. The entry is not good enough. Yeah, I need a better entry for that. It's tempting, obviously, you know, FOMO can be kicking in now. I have a little bit, I won't lie, but it's okay. And also, London session, guys, on NQ, it's been playing out well recently. Yeah, it's been playing out well. Remember how I mentioned that we don't have a bottom wick on the daily candle? It's making me think that we can maybe squeeze up into these highs and then reverse from there. That's why I'm a bit like, we're in a range. I don't know. It's Monday. Nice holiday, I assume. Yeah, I'm having a very good holiday. I'm in the south of France right now. In the south of France, in an area called Montpellier, and then end of July, around on the 29th or the 30th, we are going to Barcelona for 5 days, and then from Barcelona I'm going to Ibiza for a week, and then after that I go back home. So yeah. It's why I trade, right? It's for the freedom, just to be able to go for like a 2-month holiday. Well, a month and a half, but same. Jeez, Mario, brother bear, what the hell? $29,000 trade. Holy smokes, my bro. Holy smokes, brother. Congrats, my guy. Congratulations to you. That's crazy. Okay, we have 20 minutes, guys, for that London Open. So let's see, man. Just we have to be a little bit more patient here. London Open should give us a move. Hopefully London Open breaks out of this range we've been sitting in. Makes my 1,200 look lame, though. I won't even lie, $29,000 trade is unbelievable. Oh wait, you closed. Hold on a second. Am I talking? You made $29,000 profit, Mario, or did you? You close it at price 20. I think he's saying he made $29,000 profit. At what place am I now? I'm in France, the south of France. Yo, guys, these London streams are super quiet, man. It's cool though. Ah, you're from Puerto Rico. Yeah. That's why he makes so much money, because he doesn't have to pay tax. Anyways, man, have a good night. I think tomorrow I'm going to stream. I mean, let's see how this London Open goes, though, guys. Let's see. If it's a good session, we will then trade London tomorrow. But I want to try maybe a New York session tomorrow with you guys. That'll be cool. Try a New York session live trading. I want to switch it up instead of always sticking just to one. It might be cool to switch between because I do always look at London and the New York session. Yeah, man. I think it'll be cool just to switch between them. Try New York session tomorrow, and yeah, we'll just see how that goes. I wanted to visit Expo at London. Yeah, oh yeah, the Expo. I saw there was some sort of Expo. Just moved to Cyprus or something. Cam, 50% tax is tough. 50%. I don't know, dude. I don't pay that, bro. It's more like 30. Yeah, I think we're definitely gonna come grab these highs, man, at the 29,700s. It just depends, like, are we gonna hold above and keep going higher? Or are we gonna get back below? I can definitely see us holding above though, for some reason. Maybe only that New York session we can drop. But again, I don't know. We need to just be patient. We need to see. Basto, good morning, brother. I'm good, man. I'm good. Hope you will. All right, 15 minutes, guys, for that London Open. slow. I feel like every time I come back on stream, like just the market just loses all volume every time. Bailey. So who watched the World Cup game yesterday? South Africa versus Canada. I placed a bet actually on that game, I won't lie. And I lost. I was very confident that South Africa was going to win. Just because the odds were so good. And we were so close, man. Jeez, we were so fucking close. Just those South African strikers need to sort their shit out. They need to. They panic every time they get the ball. Panic, man. And I would have made $1 billion if I won that bet. So. Or any of you guys, just out of curiosity, who of you guys are in Barcelona? What are there any of you near Barcelona? Is the question. Oh, sorry. Yeah, my dog is on the couch. Joe. Mimi, what's up? Very slow markets today, guys. Very slow so far. If this London Open doesn't bring volume in, it's Monday. It's also end of the month, guys. Also understand, right? The monthly candle's going to close soon. Just take it very, very easy on these last few days, man. It's going to go very, very, very slow. Usually, just from experience for me. So, market could range for the next couple days. Even I've seen it before. I haven't. It doesn't even surprise me. Like, if I go to the 4-hourly time frame, we are in a big fat range right now. Like, it's obvious. We are just absolutely chopping sideways. Yo. But then again, ooh. Man, if I had to choose a direction, I want to say buy. If I had to choose a direction, I think we could go for longs up into ooh. We also have a very nice, if you guys know patterns well, we have a beautiful double top up here. Beautiful double top that Nasdaq can easily come into at some point. Yeah, it's, I wouldn't say it's tricky to trade right now. It's just a bit, what's the word? It's just a bit, how do I say it? Not unsafe. I just don't really have a bias right now for this current session. I need to see, just because we're ranging, right? Like I said, I can see price going both ways. I can see buys just based off the fact of, like if I look here on the hourly, because I know you came a bit late, let me show you. The hourly closed back above that EMA. We had a nice closure back above that EMA. This current hourly has created a bottom wick, and now we're going to flip to go bullish, right? So here is, I mean, I want to see this hourly flip to go bullish, which is part of the whole candle signs thing that you've obviously seen in the strategy course, right? I am also very aware on the daily time frame has no bottom wick. So this daily time frame has opened up on the daily candle. We've pushed higher. We have no daily bottom wick, which is making me think we could maybe go lower. Also bear in mind that we are under that daily EMA right now, okay? So I can go both ways. We can go both ways. We are below that EMA. We can go lower, but at the same time, we have that 4 hourly inside bar that I also spoke about, right? Look at this over here. This 4 hourly inside bar closed back above that EMA. This 4 hourly candle can push higher. It just can on this London Open. But if we start getting back below this EMA, we back in the middle of that range. We need to see price break up higher now in order to see it potentially push higher. So yeah, just due to the fact we're sitting in this big fat range over here is making me not favor any direction currently. But I am prepared, you know, like I definitely am prepared for either way. I'm open to whatever the market wants to do. You know, I don't have a set bias. I'm just going to react to what it wants to do. But I understand the daily can go lower due to the fact it's under that EMA. Also due to the fact there's no bottom wick on the daily candle. But then we can go higher due to the fact that we have a 4 hourly inside bar that is above EMA as well. So, but then again, we're in that range. We got 3 minutes until market open. 2 minutes, guys, for this London Open. Let's see. Let's see. You gonna put it on? Okay, let's go. London's open now, so let's see, man, what's gonna happen. Yeah. Yeah, it doesn't. Maybe a pullback to go back higher. I don't know. I don't want to see this thing starting to pull back into the middle of this range, because if that's the case, there's no trade. Need to see this thing go higher, stop breaking above. It's very important. I just replied to you, brother. I have like 50 messages in my Discord. Man, guys, I don't know if we're gonna get a trade this London session. It's Monday. It's Monday. We're not gonna force anything right now. I mean, you guys, you can range trade, but I don't do that. I do not do that. Yeah, guys, I'll be honest, I don't think I will be taking a trade. This is just ridiculous. Yeah, it does. I get what you're saying, Mimi. Absolutely. London session can do that. It does take a little bit of time before it starts to, you know, take off. But I don't know if it's going to do that right now. It might only come New York session. We can literally range up until that New York session. Yeah. If you want my advice, don't even touch this. The hell fuck is that? That's just what Cam thinks. That's my logic behind this. Like, don't even touch this. I won't be touching this. I won't be taking any trades. Even if I get a buy setup right now, I won't even be taking it, just due to the fact of the range. Range trading, guys, is going to kill your accounts, I'm telling you. It's for the impatient traders, man. And we're patient. We are patient. We all know that. Yo. Anyways, guys, trying to decide, man, if we're gonna carry on or. Yeah, I mentioned before, like, I'm not going to be taking trades just for the sake of the live, because at the end of the day, I'm trading my own prop accounts as well, right? I'm not trading demos. It's like my money. It's my funded accounts that I'm trading. So, yeah, if I'm taking a trade just due to the fact of a live, three things are going to happen. Number one, the potential of me losing that trade will be high. I do not want to put myself in that position. Secondly, the guys that do copy my trades, which I know there are a few that do, I will just be giving them a shit trade, which I will not be doing either. Thirdly, it's not following the fucking plan. Seriously, so I'm not going to do that. And also, the last two streams I took 2 losses, so I mean, I don't want to, I need to be very careful now, you know what I mean? I'm just like, I woke up this morning and I was like, oh, man, this week, take it easy. End of the month. end of the month, let's just take it very easy. If I look at this 3 minute, Jesus, bro. Horrible. Horrible, horrible, horrible. The fuck. No. Okay, yeah, guys. I think the best thing to do is to walk away, and I'm gonna come back New York session and just, you know, see what's happening there. But it's Monday. I'm not even desperate to trade today, guys. I'll easily just go enjoy the rest of my day with this. Maybe I'll have a look once price breaks out and it actually chooses a direction. I will get in on that. Okay. But yeah, man. I love you all so much. Thank you for joining the London session. I love you all. Thank you so much for joining the London session. I personally won't be taking any more trades today. I will, however, come back on the New York session, have a look to see what's going on. Red Fox, brother, congrats, bro. That's amazing. Absolutely insane. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, guys, stay out, man. Come back to the market the minute price chooses a direction. Price it hasn't yet chosen, right? Let's just be honest with ourselves about it, okay? If you're going to be trying to force trades in this range, good luck. And if you win, then well done. But there's no ways I will short this or I will long this right now. Okay? There's no ways. I can't. I'll be completely going against my plan, my rules, and no. So yeah, I'll come back New York session. I'll have a bit of a look what's happening. I mean, and if price is breaking out and chooses a direction, I'll enter that trade. It's Monday. We still got Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and it's end of the month. So yeah, let's take it easy, guys, today, and just protect your capital. Number one thing, okay? Number one priority is protecting that capital. Anyways, I love you all so much. Thank you all for being here and joining the London session. And yeah, we're in a big fucking fat range, so no trade today, but see you guys tomorrow. Peace.